We are here at Whataburger. We got onion rings, we got chicken fajita taco, the bacon avocado burger, and then we got chicken strips with a lot of fries on top, and then we got the bite-sized chickens. Oh, and then we got buffalo sauce, and then creamy pepper sauce. We're gonna put the buffalo sauce in these chicken bites here, and then we're gonna shake it up and make like buffalo chicken bites. I think that's good. Wow, look at that. And here's the chicken strips, the bread. Alrighty.
What's that creamy pepper sauce for?
I don't know. I'm gonna try it. I've never tried it.
Oh.
I just got to try it. This is really good.
Margo?
Here you go, Eddie. You take a bite of it. Tell me how it is. That's way too much onions for me to go and pick it out.
I feel like you'd like it. I already took a bite and I already like it.
This is a creamy pepper sauce. I think they use this in patty melts. It's the creamy pepper sauce.
Walked it like that so they can smell it.
This guy walked out the bathroom. Oh no.
They got that new
That's a girl,
technology.
sorry. That's a girl.
Look good actually.
You like it?
Take a bite.
Too many onions. Okay. We got the chicken strips with the gravy.
Good,
So
right?
good. Delicious. Like the buffalo bites. You like this? You like these?
Yeah.
That was awkward. Oh, here it is again. Then we got a Coke.
Big old Coke.
And let's try these. Oh, and then we got onion rings. Just put the thing right here. Just take it out of the thing. Out of the wrapper. Fun fact, I don't like onions, so I just eat the batter.
Such a fun fact.
And my husband, he finishes the onions. True?
True.
Thank you, baby. The batter is so good. You know, I actually ate some onions in my lasagna today. They tasted like...
Did you actually eat the onions?
No.
Oh.
Like on the off chance that I did, they tasted like sweaty socks.
Like the lasagna in general?
The lasagna wasn't that good. I didn't like it. Because I can tell when my mom gets the like cheap brand of lasagna.
Oh, your sister brought it to you.
Yeah. My sister brings me lunch. And it tasted like sweaty socks. That's what the onions tasted like. Yeah, so I had to stop eating that.
My favorite part. What do you think?
Have you tried this one?
It's actually really good, dude. I don't know what it tastes like. Like, I actually do like it.
It's in the patty melt sauce.
Patty melt?
Yeah, like the patty melts. That's the sauce that they use.
Probably what tastes familiar.
You like patty melts? See right here. I think this is the same sauce. Maybe, right?
Maybe.
Oh,
I don't know.
This is the avocado bacon burger. Presentations.
No onions?
Okay. No, I don't see any.
Oh no. No, there's no onions.
Okay. Let's eat it.
Take a big old bite.
Okay. Take a bite. Alright, I'll eat it this way. Okay. It's not bad. I haven't gotten to the avocados yet. So I've just gotten to the patty and the bacon.
Good?
Mm-hmm. You want a paper towel?
That's good.
You like it?
You taste the avocado in there. It's good. Never had it before.
Really?
I don't even know. I usually get chicken from here, remember? Like chicken sandwiches.
Oh. No, you usually get beef, like.
I used to get chicken sandwiches. Or the jalapeno.
Yeah, you get the jalapeno burger. So you get the jalapeno burger.
That's like my go-to.
Eat, Papa. Eat. You're stuffed?
I'm getting there.
Really?
Yeah, I thought I was hungry. But
That's okay. If we don't finish, we could just take home, eat it for breakfast tomorrow.
I don't know if you're messing with me or what.
Hmm?
So I don't know if you're messing with me or what.
Why?
I'll go to work at 6.
Yeah, you can still wake up early. Or take it to go.
Nah. I'll go to corporate tomorrow, so I'll be okay.
This is a double whammy. I bet you would have liked this one.
Probably.
What's another place we're gonna go do this at?
Let me see.
Like we order foods that we don't normally get.
Yeah, I want to get like. Want it to be like fast food restaurant?
It can be anything. Whatever you want.
What can we try? Not McDonald's.
Not what?
Not McDonald's. I know what we could do. Which one's better? Whataburger or In-N-Out?
Okay, you bet. What do you think's better? In-N-Out or?
Honestly, I haven't had In-N-Out in a long time.
Really?
Mm-hmm. So, I don't know. I don't know. What about you?
I think Whataburger. I don't really like In-N-Out.
You buy as much?
No. In-N-Out has like 4 items. That's it. Like fries.
But they got animal style.
But that's not an item. Like they have fries. I think like 3 burgers. And that's it. That's really the whole menu. And
Looks like we're gonna try the whole menu when we go there. Yeah, we get the whole menu.
Alright. They're like, we cut it down to 3.
So your choices are real simple.
So what's your favorite here? I think which one out of all this was your favorite?
Honestly? I love my chicken, man. With the chicken strips.
Favorite?
Mm-hmm. What's your favorite?
I'd probably say the onion rings without
Really?
the onion. Mm-hmm. I love
The
the
onion
batter.
rings are- So you like the batter?
I love fried stuff. Like,
Who doesn't, man? I love fried stuff. These are good though.
those are. I think it's just because they're messy that I don't like them.
Yeah, I mean it would have been simple to just dip them.
True, but they're still really good.
Yeah, it's very good.
You're out already.
Chill, don't call me out like that.
Mhm.
And there's no more onions. There's no more onions.
Oh, wow.
Nah, just kidding.
Oh.
You believe me for real?
Mhm. No, you have the big one. I have the small one.
I want this one.
Okay.
Because that one has more onion. You lost.
I wasn't doing anything.
You want to try the bread?
Love a good old Texas toast.
Got some crunchy.
Okay.
Crunch, crunch, crunch.
It's okay. Not the best toast I've had, but not the worst.
I like, yeah.
It's just our onion rings are delicious.
You mean the batter?
The batter.
So you don't like when I call you out like that?
I feel like I do. I don't care. I'm not gonna lie and say, oh, I eat onions. Like, no, I don't.
Yeah, I know.
I think everyone in the world knows that by now.
Yeah, you're right. I mean, I know that. And I'm just dating you.
Your mom knows that.
It sounds like you insulted me. Your mom knows. Ain't trying to bring back your mama joke? Your mama knows.
Your mama.
What are my biscuits?
This is their large.
I mean, it's like half eaten, but
Yeah. Well, I mean, like the box, like that's large, and this is the medium for the onion rings. And then we're gonna eat some ketchup and fries.
alright. I tap out, man.
Okay, that's fine.
Because all I know is Blue Heaven is the place on there. Is that what this is?
Something like that.
Why
And we
not
got
just
the
smart one of
chicken
those?
with the gravy. I watched the Korean girls that do the cheese bowl. That's what this reminded me of.
The what?
The cheese pull, where they pull their cheese. Like they're eating like a mozzarella stick, and they're like this. There you go.
Yeah, and then they.
One girl said you have to pull it, like, she pull it out and then down to like make
get
it.
that like real cheesy pull thing.
I want to try it.
Try to do it with the chicken.
Okay. Ready?
That was good.
Good shit, Pooh.
Next thing we just gotta do the cheese.
The level up is adding cheese. You got the motion down.
Look.
Wish I had an Apple Watch. Alright, ready? I'm gonna practice again. Pull and then down.
Okay, pull. Okay, and down. There we go. Beautiful. I like it.
I'm ready for the cheese.
I got the technique down.
You're so silly.
Alright, man, that's it. Tapping out.
Alright, guys. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I believe our next video should be In and Out. Maybe. Don't quote me on that. But we will have more videos coming out.